Run Graph Master extension. Find PyGraph scene in UI and open it. Enter name scene. Scene will be animated. Open Global Control Settings. You can edit any parameters. For example, change maximum value. You can edit animation keyframe if you want. If you want to add more data, just duplicate data 1 value. You can edit colors set up in local settings in every data layers. You can edit maximum value at any time. Also cool features is the cut graph option. You can adjust the circumference, start and end point. You can set any angle to the chart. The next interesting feature is a graph with a common start for each value. To activate it, turn off the stack sector parameter. Now we have to offset the values using the split graph parameter. If you need rounded edges on lines, you can turn it off in the round corners parameter. You can combine parameters to get pie graph of any type and complexity. The project also contains settings for wide sector fill. You can change the colors in the local layer settings. You can also turn off the percentage display in the global settings. Let's change the position of the value for each sector. The settings of the central element are also located in the center. The project also contains a decorative element for fine lines to create a unique graphic. Let's go to the chart legend settings. Here you can specify color of the value. This flexibility allows you to create a graph with any of the elements and visualize it correctly. One of the features is a correct gap between sectors. You can round the corners of the sectors, which will give a more attractive look to your charts. Any element in the setup can be configured as you need. You can switch the legend to call out and adjust its position. So, using one preset as a starting point, you can create any pie graph you want.